Welcome back to our channel, Fast Cabling. So today in this video, we got an exciting guide for you, diving into the world of IP cameras, long-range setup, and making the process easy with Power over Ethernet. And we'll be taking it a step further by introducing a key player in this setup, the PoE pass-through switch. And if you ever wanted to extend the reach of your civilian system without the hassle of complicated setup, you're in the right place. The long-range civilians play a crucial role in security, providing enhanced visibility over expansive area. And this is especially valuable in scenarios such as large industrial sites, critical infrastructure, or expansive outdoor spaces. However, extending Power over Ethernet for long-range IP camera poses specific challenges, and the limitation of traditional PoE setup can include power degradation over extended distances, impacting the reliability and performance of the civilian system. So addressing these challenges require innovative solutions to ensure seamless and efficient power delivery for long-range civilian applications. So Power over Ethernet is a technology that enables the simultaneous transmission of electrical power and data over a single Ethernet cable. In the context of IP cameras, PoE simplified the network setup by eliminating the need for a separate power and data cable. This integration brings several benefits, including reduced cable clutter, simplified installations, and increased flexibility in camera placement. PoE streamlines the deployment of IP cameras, making it more cost-effective and efficient, particularly in situations where running separate power lines would be impractical or costly. And PoE pass-through switches play a crucial role in extending the reach of PoE-enabled devices by facilitating both power and data transmission over longer distances. And these switches come equipped with ports that support PoE, allowing them to not only transmit data within the network, but also to pass through electrical power to connected device. And this innovative solution eliminates the need for additional power sources at remote location, providing a streamlined and cost-effective approach to long-distance civilian. And compared to traditional network setup, PoE pass-through switches offer a more flexible and scalable solution, empowering users to expand their network without the constraint of proximity to power sources. And the versatility and efficiency of PoE pass-through switch make them essential components in modern civilian systems, addressing the challenge associated with long-range PoE deployment. So as a recommendation, here are some of our PoE pass-through switch. This one right here is the 4-port managed PoE power switch. It is a cost-effective network expansion device with PoE pass-through feature to deliver robust network performance with no hassle. And it's compatible with IEEE 802.3 AF, AT, and BT standard. Support up to 95 watts power input from an 802.3 BT PoE injector with a total power budget of 65 watts. And also the power output is up to 30 watts per port, and support a broad range of network configuration, including traffic management, QoS, VLANs, to simplify network monitoring, troubleshooting, and remote accessing. And next to it, we have our 8-port PoE pass-through switch. Now this here supports the PoE pass-through to draw power from an upstream PoE switch or injector while providing up to 71 watts power budget and 30 watts power output to connected devices. And it has a durable metal housing and redundant power supply, make it ideal for harsher environment, since it has a wide working temperature range from -20 degrees up to 70 degrees. So when planning the expansion of your IP camera network, it is crucial to assess your civilian needs and determine the required coverage area. You should consider factors such as the layout of the space, potential blind spot, and the specific areas you want to monitor. Once you have a clear understanding of your requirements, now you can choose the right PoE pass-through switch based on the number of cameras that you plan to connect and the desired range. And pay attention to power budget. Different cameras may have varying power requirements, so ensure that the switch can provide sufficient power to all connected devices. And check the compatibility of the switch with your cameras to avoid any issues during the installation process. So next we are going to move on to the demonstration board, and I'm going to show you the setup for today. So now we are in front of the demonstration board, and I'm going to connect a bullet camera and a wireless access point using our 7-port PoE power switch. Let's do it together. First of all, I'm going to use a short patch cord to connect our router to the NVR. The router is providing the main data network. And I'm going to use another Ethernet cable to provide data to our injector. Now this is our 95 watts PoE injector. It can inject up to 90 watts of power into the Ethernet cable. This is the data input port. I'm going to connect it with the router, and I'm going to plug in the Ethernet cable to the PoE output port so we can power up our PoE power switch. It has a special mounting tool. It allows you to mount it on a DIN reel, just like this. We have a 100 meters Ethernet cable, and I'm going to plug in the Ethernet cable to our power switch. As you can see, the indicated lights are on. Now it's receiving both the power and data through this Ethernet cable. And I'm going to plug in two Ethernet cable, one for the bullet camera and the other one for the wireless access point. And for the bullet camera, we have the 100 meters Ethernet cable. Plug it in here. You can see they're both getting power and data already. The wireless access point's indicated lights is on, and as well as our bullet camera. So turn to our monitor, we can see the live video feed displaying. I'm going to wave my hand. So the whole connection is done now. So if you're aiming for a longer distance in your IP camera network, a PoE extender can be invaluable for extending the range of your power over Ethernet devices. PoE extender adds intermediate devices, amplifying and retransmitting the PoE signal, so enabling you to reach area that beyond the standard PoE range. You can add it up so you can have a longer distance. And when extending your IP camera network, you should consider these tips for optimal performance. You can utilize waterproof enclosure for outdoor installation, protecting equipment for harsh weather conditions. Alternatively, offer outdoor PoE pass-through switch designed to withstand outdoor environment. And install surge protector to safeguard PoE equipment from power surge, particularly crucial in outdoor setup where the risk of lightning strike is higher. Additionally, implement uninterruptible power supply system to provide backup power during brief outage or fluctuation, ensuring continuous operation of your PoE devices and maintaining the reliability of your civilian system. And that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining us, and your feedback and experience are valuable. So don't hesitate to share them in the comment section below. And together, let's build a smarter and more efficient civilian system.